Hello everyone. Are you feeling the pressure of board exams? Worried about managing multiple subjects or struggling to focus? Don't worry. In today's video, we will discuss common problem students face and the practical solution to overcome them. So stay tuned till the end. It's completely normal to feel nervous before exams. But remember, fear disappears when preparation begins. The best way to overcome this pressure is to focus on studying rather than worrying. Set small goals, revise daily, and stay confident. Do you ever feel like there's too much to study and not enough time? The solution is simple. Divide your subject wisely, create a timetable, and stick to it. Prioritize subject based on difficulty and allocate study hour accordingly. A planned timetable is your best friend. Time flies when exams are near, right? But don't worry, a simple routine can fix everything. Wake up early, set daily target, and follow a structured study plan. Avoid last minute cramming and revise regularly to stay stress free. Social media, TV, and games are fun, but they steal your precious study time. The key is self discipline. Set a specific time limit, keep your phone away while studying, and remind yourself study now, scroll later. Do you find math, science, or SST difficult? The truth is, no subject is tough if you give it time. Break complex topic into smaller parts. Practice regularly and seek help when needed. The more you practice, the easier it gets. How to improve concentration? Now let's talk about how you can improve focus while studying. First one is Pomodoro technique. Study for 55 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. This keep your mind fresh and prevent burnout. Find a quiet place. A noise-free environment help you focus better. Deep breathing and meditation. Just 5 minutes of deep breathing can boost your concentration. Limit social media. Remember, study now, scroll later. Surround yourself with positive people. Good company means good mindset. That's it for today's video. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friend. And don't forget to subscribe to Total Solution for more educational content. Keep studying, stay positive, and all the best for your exam. See you in the next video.